For me, Parsifal has the power to lead everyone inside, to lead everyone into his own world, and to reflect about what is his position in the world, to reflect about the really important things in life. So don't try to understand what Wagner wanted to tell us. Don't try to do it intellectually, because it's a real emotional thing. Most important is that emotions are free and open. So if you can experience that with an open ears, open heart, open soul, whatever, you can really find something for you personally. For Wagner, it was very important, urgently important, to write Parsifal after the Ring, because when he finished the Ring, everything was destroyed. The human society was destroyed, nature was destroyed, gods were destroyed, everything was destroyed. And after that, he wrote Parsifal, which was a project he started much earlier. He had the idea about Parsifal much earlier, but after finishing the Ring, it was obvious that there is some need for a vision, for an idea, how to solve problems, how to save the world. And this is actually Parsifal for me, because it is, there is no religion anymore, there is no belief, no gods anymore, there's only nature. And everyone is serving nature, and this is maybe the interesting aspect about Parsifal. We have very different ways of describing nature there in Parsifal. First, it is very different from what he did before. When, for example, imagine in Ring, in Siegfried, there is a bird, the Waldvogel, and you really hear birds in the orchestra in this moment. In Parsifal, we don't have this kind of direct descriptions of nature. We don't have, like water or animals or whatever. It is more like a meditation about nature. The music is the whole music of Parsifal actually is sort of a very intense meditation. So if you listen to it, you always create pictures inside yourself immediately. So you can either see mountains or the sea or the forest or whatever. So music doesn't describe nature in a direct way, like Messiaen did it, or other composers also. Parsifal is 3 acts, and it is the proportion is very interesting, because the first act is quite long, and we are sort of sucked into the situation in this first act. It's really very tense, and on the whole long distance of this, we go the way of Parsifal. We come to a world we don't know before, and this world sucks us in, and it's really thrilling he does that, and this is very descriptive in a way. So we are getting used to this very special world of Parsifal in the first act. Second act, we are in Klingsor's castle, which is sort of the bad part of the whole thing, and music is much more direct, much more vivid, much more aggressive also, because Klingsor is obviously a bad character and very bad for the good society in Parsifal. And then third act, we have this kind of resolution. So it is the very end of everything Wagner was thinking about musically and as an artist, and we are led to a different world, which is somewhere else. So it goes from a world to really a struggle in second act, and then in third act we have this elevation in a way.